bir Submarine project anonymous, and in today's video,
we're going to embroider another t-shirt using our magnetic hoop.
So let's get to it. So we recently got a comment asking if we could try using our magnetic hoop to embroider a shirt, so that's what we're going to do today.
Yeah, it's been a minute since we've embroidered a t-shirt. Figured we might as well try our luck at using the magnetic hoop to embroider a new tee.
So we're going to be using Inkscape to create the design and our Brother SE1900 to embroider it.
Let's go.
In Inkscape, we're using a 4x4 hoop template, and we're just going to bring in a black and white design of our logo. Since we can't embroider an image, we're going to use the Trace Bitmap tool to create this usable for embroidery. And I'm going to use the brightness cutoff method. I'll also adjust the threshold and then hit apply. Now I'm going to view the preview and params. And I think I want to change the circle around the design into a satin instead of a fill. To do this, I need to be able to just select the circle, so I'm going to break apart everything using the Shape Builder tool. And I'll only select the things I need. Now I can press enter. To cut out the hole, I'm going to select the object and then go to Path and Exclusion. Now I can select the outline, and I'll go to Extensions, Ink Stitch, Tool Stroke, Fill to Stroke. And I'll press apply, and now it's a stroke and I can adjust the width. And to change a stroke to a satin, I'll go back to Extensions, Ink Stitch, Tool Satin, and Convert Line to Satin. And I'll go back to Params to view the results. And now I can add text, and I'm just going to go to Extensions, Ink Stitch, and use the lettering tool. And I can just type in my text, and then choose a font. Once I'm happy with it, I can press apply and quit. I'll also resize it to fit the template, and then I can add more text using the same process. Now to see what it's going to look like when I embroider it, I'm going to go to the Simulator and Realistic Preview. All that's left to do is save it and embroider it. For our next attempt, we're going to restack the objects to start embroidering from the center and then go out. All we have to do is select the parts of our design in the order we want it to embroider. Then all we have to do is go to the restack tool. And now it should be in the order we want, so we can check this by going to the simulator. And it starts in the center, so it worked. We'll also use a different stabilizer on this shirt to try to get better results, which we'll talk about later. So as you saw, we ended up doing 2 shirts just so you could see what we would actually want to do if we were embroidering a shirt and get some good results. So what were the improvements we made to get the best results we could?
Well, something that we completely forgot to do, which was a lesson learned in the past, is to use some kind of sticky stabilizer, either self-adhesive stabilizer or that basting adhesive to stick the stabilizer to the tee, because the t-shirt is very flexible and wants to shift around. And that's exactly what happened and how we got kind of a little lump in our design that wasn't intended. During the second shirt, we went ahead and used that self-adhesive stabilizer and we got much better results. So we were just a little rusty when it came to embroidering t-shirt stuff.
So overall, would you recommend using a magnetic hoop instead of a normal one?
Well, for tees, it's a lot easier using the magnetic hoop with a t-shirt because there's obviously 2 layers to a shirt and you kind of need to slide the hoop inside. And we use our masking tape trick to get the vertical line just right. The issue with a regular standard hoop is you kind of get some stretching of the material, which leads to puckering later after you take it out of the hoop. Whereas the magnetic hoop, when you get it in place, you just kind of stick a magnet on it and there's no stretching involved. So we definitely like that a whole lot better. Again, the issues that we had were our own fault in forgetting to use some kind of adhesive stabilizer, but we ended up figuring it out. I need to work on my magic.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you liked it.
Like it.
Subscribe if you enjoy our content.
Subscribe.
And turn on those notifications so you get reminded every single time we post a video. Stay crafty.
And be happy.
Bye.